They're really tiny. They're just a little bit bigger than my hand. They're playing right now. It's so cute. They're playing with each other, nibbling on each other. Mama's down here eating, and they're up here watching Mama eat. They live in the bushes. They live in the bushes. And Pixie, stop that. Pixie doesn't know what to think of these new babies. Hey, Pixie. Pixie, hi. Hey, Mama. So, she comes and visits me. She brought her little family to see me. These are her little babies. Babies. They're so cute. They're pretty. The babies are pretty, Matilda.